Morning guys, so today's a fundamentally different day today as we leave the Ranger behind and take the other car out for a drive. So the plan for today is we're heading down to Great Ocean Road, as you've seen. Meeting up with a couple of mates and just making a day after it, day after Christmas. So Merry Christmas to everyone. Happy New Year if you see this in the new year. Happy 2021. How's it going? Yeah, just join us along and see what we can try to make out of the day.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you drive me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could stray. Won't you kiss me? Ain't no way. Want you, come and try me now. So come and try me now. I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could stray. Won't you kiss me? Ain't no way. Left alone, left alone, left
It's almost safe to say this is the trip that just shouldn't have happened, mate. Go to Way Lighthouse, my tyre blows out, have to change that with a spare. Then we're on our way to Princetown, Scott's exhaust comes off. Now we're trying to track fix that with minimal, we got a lot of tools but not a lot of product to help us do it. But it's the trip that probably shouldn't have happened. We both kind of failed at our pre-trip checks. So that's alright, we'll make it work. We'll get there eventually. Golly.
Got the tools. You're the goose that got the tools.
I think we're taking. Anyone got a knife?
A knife?
Yeah,
I do not.
I would happily have all my tools here if I had known we're all going to have an issue.
Yeah, if I had known that we're all going to break down in some capacity.
Bow ties on belts.
I did a hoopty, mate. What can I say?
You didn't even do the hoop. You did the corner. I made a hoopty without the hoops.
I want to be
Our current issue. guys? Yeah.
Played Horizon 4. This is where you start.
Is it worth it, Matt?
No, I'm full set.
My hat.
Already recording?
I'm already recording.
Okay, well, we're at the 12 Apostles.
You might have to yell.
In case you couldn't tell by my hair, it's a little bit windy. The weather in Melbourne was meant to be nice today. It's not. It's not nice at all. It's cold and it's rainy, and as you're about to see with the people wearing ponchos, it's not fun. But we made it to the 12 Apostles.
Is that 11?
I've never been before, so this is actually really exciting. Is that a Forza reference? So yeah, welcome to the 12 Apostles, guys.
That was really bad.
Windy. Still good. No windy. Why are we videoing? Oh, yeah, okay, go on.
Because it's one of the, is it one of the wonders of the world?
I don't know.
I think it's one of the wonders of the world. Or maybe it's like just a World Heritage Site. Or, I don't know.
It's cold.
It's cold. It's really cold and windy.
And everyone else.
This is a much better view of the 12 Apostles. Don't mind the banter behind us. The gang's all here. But this is a much better view of the ones that are remaining that haven't yet fallen over. So
Yeah.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you, still believe. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. 'Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
So it is currently day 2. So we went out yesterday. Didn't film an outro because I figured I've still got to do an update on everything that went wrong. So we had a tyre blowout. I didn't even think really to factor in the fact that we needed to change it. But this is why it's important to do pre-drive checks. So common with these cars is camber wear, but they're not meant to be doing that. So if we'd kept driving on that, that would have ended very, very badly, especially on some of the roads and the conditions that we were in, where it was pretty much raining all day. It's important to have a spare. Check your air, make sure that it's actually got air in it. Other than that, we've just got some scrapes on the exhaust, kind of moulding it to the size that we need, I guess. Fix an exhaust hanger to lift the exhaust up, change out the tyres, should be good to go. So obviously this video was a little bit out of our normal. We're normally doing full drive videos, off-road videos. That ain't going very far off-road, trust me. Pet struggles on the road. If you liked it, if you want to see more of it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. There'll be plenty more coming. Hopefully 2021 is working in better for us. We've got some goals to hit, so we'll hopefully see you along for the ride. Who knows, maybe I'm going to do something about these yellow lights. Maybe. See you on the next one.